I would help cut, but my hands are full.
You're supposed to melt the butter in the skillet first. But you already put the butter inside.
What? Salt?
So you don't need to put extra butter.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're supposed to...
That's why I said read the instructions, because I'm not reading the instructions.
Yeah.
That's fine, it's fine, everything's fine. It's okay.
We don't have extra apples.
What do we do? We bought
6.
It's fine, just dump it in. It'll be fine!
That's not my fault. What should I do? The dip, maybe?
No, wait! What if I fuck this one up?
It's not my fault.
Call the police. But he is kind of ugly.
I am not responsible for that comment. Not my fault.
Wait! Can we just say I'm the better cook now? Look at the size of the skin that he made! Wait, how do you fold this? I don't know how to fold something.
And you call yourself dumpling. Yeah.
Yo, I'm watching a YouTube video on how to balance dumplings.
One eternity later.
Okay, I know how to do this. Okay. Look! Okay, this is cuter. How cute is that? This is cute. Looks like a wet diaper. Your face looks like a wet diaper. Ow.
There you go.
Why is it like that?
Because there's what's that? Apple film.
Ow! Wait. God damn it! I got hot oil on me! Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Ow! Today's cooking experience as well as the taste of the food, so 2 ratings please.
Okay, the experience was... I'm an easily pleased person, so I'll give it a 9.
He's an easily pleased person, so he'll give it a 9.5.
For taste, I'll give it an 8.
For taste, he gives it an 8. If I was cooking with Dell, I'd probably... Wait, I'm a good cook, I'm just distracted. I can cook, Chad. You don't understand. You just haven't seen me cook yet. It's just because you guys are distracting me half the time. Also, I promise you I'm a good cook, it's just I'm distracted today. We got stuck.
So basically the same thing, right? Okay.
I burnt 1 carrot in the curry, yes. It got stuck on the bottom of the pan. Because I was distracted by the chat. Oh my god, my pasta!
Is it overcooked?
No, it's fine. I'm a good cook, but I was distracted. It's true.
No, I'm getting. Here we go. I am a good cook, but I was distracted. Oh. Oh, question mark.
No, I'm not. He's lying.
I should have recorded it.
He's a dirty liar.
Do you want an overall performance or just like specific performance? Such as not boiling the water first? That I would give a 0. And then maybe not looking at the recipe before. I'll probably give it
I was
2.
distracted. It's not my fault.
3, what?
I should have stirred this longer. Aduh. They're so distracting. I need to reheat the oven.